In this video, I'll show you how to remove or reset the "you may like" suggestions on TikTok. This is useful if your TikTok recommendations are inaccurate or you want to refresh your TikTok For You feed. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. Go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right. Now tap the three lines in the top right corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. First, tap on Content Preferences. Scroll down and look for the option to refresh your For You feed. This helps reset your TikTok recommendations and gives you newer content suggestions. Then tap on Start. Go back and scroll down and go to Activity Center or Watch Search History. Then tap on three dots in the right corner. Then tap on Select and select All. And tap on Delete and confirm. Delete your recent searches and watch history since TikTok uses this information to recommend videos. You can also go to Notifications and turn off suggestion-based notifications if you don't want TikTok recommending random content. After that, close the app completely and reopen TikTok. And that's it. Your TikTok's "you may like" suggestions should now be refreshed and reset. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips, privacy settings guides, and how-to tutorials.